Welcome back to Maru's Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be guiding my viewers and lovely subscribers on how to set up a VPN called Omanova VPN or Omanova Tunnel VPN or Omanova VPN right in all countries and on all networks. So my good boys, let us gather here and then we are going to be setting up this application until all of you guys are plugged and connected. Let us head over to Google Play Store and then we download that VPN application. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, share. If you get any problem, the comment section is open for you, my besties. Let us search a VPN application called Omanova VPN, this one. Keep in mind that you need to have a running data bundle to install this application on your mobile device. So install this application, and after installing it, ensure to open this application. We're going to open it, but also keep this in your mind that this tutorial is for informational, research and educational purposes only. Users are requested to comply with the local laws, follow internet service providers' terms and conditions, and then you are also requested to follow the community guidelines that govern YouTube. Let us all, it will be appearing like this, and then let us all, but before continuing, I recommend all you guys to enable this DNS. The reason why you're going to be enabling DNS to prevent the internet service provider from tracking your web history, and then that those internet service providers, sometimes they tend to see what you have searched for, and then they can also view what you are now browsing. So we are going to be using the Google DNS, this one, and then we are going to come and then we save. This is what we're going to do. I'm not going to use complicated tech words. Let us all come. Sorry. Let us all come right here. And then let us all gather right here. We're going to update until we see such a kind of what that no update available. Let us come right here where we have the servers. I recommend you guys, viewers and lovely subscribers, to choose a server that is near to your country's location. Or, my dear subscribers, this is exclusive just for us. Just choose the auto select server, you won't regret. Let us all go right here where we have the network, and then let us all, you can search a server from your country, or you're going to search UDP. And then after, you're going to connect to this one, the second in result, and then you're going to come and toggle this button, this one. You're going to accept the VPN service and wait for a few seconds. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, as you see the application has successfully connected. I sign out.